Do you have back pain or hip issues? Are you interested in getting fit or getting back into exercising in a workout program? Are you tired of sitting on the sidelines when everybody else is living their lives and doing things? You're afraid to pick up your kids or your grandkids because you think you're going to get hurt or re-injure yourself? Everybody feels this way, and it's unfortunate. However, the PMA program with the fitness diagnostics that we do at Leoy Systems can help alleviate some of that stress for you. We run you through a 12-point physical assessment where we do different movements, different modalities, so we can check how your body moves, see where any and all restrictions may be, and then we can tailor an exercise program based on our parameters to fit you and only you. We have a multi-step process afterwards if you should so choose to continue with our exercise programming, where we have mobility work that we focus on for a few sessions. Then we have what we call a proprietary program called PMA, Proprioceptive Muscular Activation, where we work with isometric exercises to help bring back stability and strength to the body, working with tendon strength, muscular strength, and overall general body, I want to say, alignment. Then after that, we can go into traditional exercise programming, whether you join a fitness facility, work out at home, or anywhere in between. So if you're interested in feeling that way and getting back the little independence with living your life, schedule your session below and let's get moving. If you have any questions or comments about what we do or anything, just make sure to send an email and we will schedule a time to actually have a conversation with you via video chat. So it's not over the phone. We'll get to see each other face to face and maybe even knock out some of the questions that we have. Because on top of the 12-point program that we run you through, we also like to talk to you, get to know your life, get to know your lifestyle, get to know what's going on with you. Because from there, we can actually try to figure out what's going on. So if you want to get past that point in life where you're no longer afraid to do things because you don't want to re-injure yourself and you're ready for change, then let us know. We are here for you. So send us an email if you want to talk to us, or just go right ahead and schedule your appointment below. All right. Thank you very much for getting this far, and I hope to speak to you soon. Take care.